Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another video. Tonight we're going to go over a new company out of Philadelphia called Bold Beards. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel and checking out, yes, another review. Hope you guys are safe, free from COVID. I hope you are well and out there wherever you are. Tonight we're going to go over a fresh company just come out at the end of 2020 into the new year called Bold Beards. These guys hail from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Now we're going to go over that combo for you guys tonight. First off, their social media stuff. Apologize for that shadow or that reflection, guys. On the back of that card. And their products have a mango type scent to them. The oil we'll go over first. It's got the black bottle, standard dropper top. It's got the ingredients on the back. The ingredients in this are jojoba oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and mango essential oil. The oil, let me get some out of there for you. It's a nice, really clear, and it's a nice medium consistency. The oil, I don't, I get like a type of mango scent, but it's like, I reached out to the owner and let him know it's not a real good mango type scent. It don't stink by all means. But I went ahead and used it anyway. I had it in beard for about 4 days, maybe 5. It didn't get my beard as soft as I would like it to. Most products you want to put it in your beard for a couple of days in your beard, to be really soft. At least I have, high demand for wanting my beard to be that soft. Some of you guys might not be the case. This gets my beard soft, but like I said, it's not as soft as I would like it to. It is a good product. The ingredients, as far as the ingredients, they're normal ingredients. I don't know if it might be with the essential oils in the product. The mango, like I said, it's a mango type scent, but it doesn't smell real fruity, fruity mango. But that was the oil. And like I said, that's just my use out of this oil. It could be different from you guys. It's not a bad product. I'm not going to say it's a bad product. But in my opinion, there's something in there that don't agree with my beard completely. And that's fine, that's fine. The butter, on the other hand, it's got jojoba, coconut, sweet almond oil, mango essentials, and I do believe they use shea butter. Let me look it up real quick just to make sure. The ingredients are mango butter and shea butter, mango essentials, and arrowroot powder. So the arrowroot powder, I think that's a new one for me. Their butter comes in a tin like that. Black bottle, or black container rather, and there's the ingredients. And the label is on top. Now this butter I used along with the oil. One day I went for just the oil. The next day I just used the butter. I used a scentless oil, and the butter is a whipped butter. It's real light. If you can see, put a little bit of pressure on and you just sink down into it. I had no problem with the butter. The butter has that nice mango smell. It emulsifies pretty fast. In beard, I'll throw some in right now. In beard, there's no tack to it either. It's got a nice buttery smooth, it's really silky smooth. Made my beard really soft. I enjoyed using the butter, and like I said, it's a nice whipped butter. It's really packed in there. Get that sound out of the way. It's really packed in there. It's a light butter, and like I said, the butter I didn't have any problems with. It made my beard really, really soft. There's not a lot of residual left over after putting it in beard, so the butter is a go for me. But like I said, the oil, I don't know if it's the essential oils or something mixed in this oil that made it smell like it does, or didn't work in my beard. But like I said, I have a high demand when it comes to my beard. You grow your beard out for years and years. You want to be able to use a good product that gets it super soft. At least that's my expectation. So I would say the oil for me is a no-go. The butter made up for that, so I can't recommend the oil. The butter, definitely give them a try. For the butter, really awesome butter. I would say maybe rethink the ratios in the oil, but this is just my opinion, guys. It might be different for you, but like I said, the mango smell in the butter was fine. It smelled really good. The oil, not so much good, and like I said, it didn't get my beard soft. I know I keep saying that, but I just want to stress, it might be just with my beard. It might be different from you guys. But I want to say thank you to the owners for sending this combo. I really appreciate it. Everything will be in the links below, guys. Check them out. Maybe it's different for you. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the love from YouTube and on Instagram. Thank you guys so much. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe. Until the next review, peace.